Next, I'm going to do some. Hi guys, this is the next video where we are going to set up the policy on the SNO ZTP cluster. So in previous video, we deployed the SNO ZTP cluster, and the cluster is ready in state. If you want to see those, I will share that link in the description box so you can watch those things. So this one is ready. I can click on that. The ready password. And here I have completely set up with this, with the banner setup. And this I'm just going to log out to see whether any, yeah, you can only the cube admin is there. So you can cube admin, you can log in. We log in. So in the next, I'm going to do the policy setup for all SNO cluster. For policy governance, we have for SNO cluster, I have created a ZTP policy, for SNO cluster. Here you can see is deployed on the local cluster and the policy, whatever the policy is there. Part of this, let me deploy that first. So that ZTP policy, it will create basically a couple of things. One SAT manager operator it will going to install, and one metal will be operator. So automatically it will install, and you can see it is degraded, and OAuth also it will be configured. So these three things we are going to do as a part of that. Let me see. What are the policies there for policy generator for SNO and these two things? Policy for SNO. So in this policy generator, what is going to do? Three things. Basically, the OAuth configuration it will do through HTTP password, install SAT manager, and that metal will be these two things. Okay. Okay, you can see this, it's already started installing these two SAT manager and the metal will be operator. I hope once it will be installed, let's see what is okay. In that governance, you can see ZTP SNO. 2 is already done, 1 is pending. Oh, what is pending? Let's see the validation. Okay, metal will be, it will taking time. OAuth already configured. SAT manager also configured. Yeah, SAT manager you can see, and it is still installing. That's why metal will be, it's taking time. Meanwhile, I'll just going to log out, see whether OAuth is configured or not. Means HTTP. Yeah, it's true, and it is configured. Same configuration. Now I have deployed this three. It is also configured. Now if I go back, three things are status. Now it's a clean overall status is clean. So overall, what are the policies there? Uh, three policy for ZTP common namespace. What? So, earlier session we have installed that SNO ZTP cluster. It's zero touch provisioning. So completely hands-free installation you can install anywhere in the then policy also you can deploy. So part of ZTP, I will explain the what are the component we have installed in that cluster. So in part of component we have installed the namespace. Is the ZTP namespace we have configured automatically. Then it will create that BMC secret for that uh, there. Then pull secret inside that basically it will create that image, the pulling from image. Then the mirror registry configuration also. So four, then cluster instance. In that cluster instance, you can see everything is mapped and the rate fees that are the SUSI emulator. Using this tool, basically it booted up that VM or ILO, you can say something, and it is IP also configured, and the domain and the and actually I in this SNO host we don't have an internet because I explicitly mentioned the next hop is wrong. It should be 0.0, right? So that's why I make it wrongly 0.1. The next hop in the gateway I mentioned wrongly. That's why it's not. So make it as a completely ER setup. This four YAMLs is important. Then we have a which is the cluster lit add-ons config. Normally during that. Additionally, we have disable that operator, red hat, this is also, and the banner, and the cronny, and the time zone. These five things we have deployed part of ZTP installation. Post ZTP, basically the through policy, we have configured only the true operator and metal LB also. If I delete or uninstall, let's see what happened. Again, it will start that installation because you have configured as a part of policy governance, so it will automatically check if it is any violation, it will give it. And that's it for now. I hope it will quite useful for you guys, so you can make it as a ZTP setup and the governance also. Next, I'll come with the another ZTP2 ZTP setup, another ZTP2 from the different registry. So this setup so far I have deployed this session. The next I'm going to do this one. Thank you for watching.